I don't come again today. Oh, now I get Bella or reality story. I don't come again today with another ogbonge story. You understand? And this story I get today, so it catch fire. The Bella means to be catch fire, catch better fire. But as we did like this way, I get Percy for house now. So when you visit for the when you say you want, you know, you want talk for this story, you want to like this story, and she be relationship and marriage coach. She deal on relationship, marriage, anything. She you know, she give good advice. You understand? So that's make her invite her today, so that she will call touch like for this story, because this story so it catch fire. And this woman, so now what tell you that the way we say want talk for this story, so a very beautiful woman. If she find where she find keep change, I'm not so that she finds her brain say fine. She know the matter, she know, she gets sense, so she get brain, she know how that person they give advice. I could feel maybe now that all these days mama what they don't they give advice, that kind of person, that kind of advice they give you. Her name now Mrs. Bawa. So she there, make she greet you now, make she hail you small.
My country people now, good afternoon. Hello, Abemon, I'm not going anywhere, beg. Won't get story for sorry for the MB1 waste of beg. Just listen to our story. Thank you.
Okay, now so the story I don't hear from her. So the story when I get so now one client now she said now come. She said she really they worried and she really need advice. You understand? She said she get belly. She said before she get this belly so for years she and all don't date, they don't fight picky belly no they come. Say but God finally bless them. She can't get belly. Say but the belly now they get issue. She got the blood say she dey see small blood. When they call which hospital, she and her husband don't tell them say maybe she try to stay away from hard work. Make she not do anything work. Make she they do bed rest. Make she just relax for house. And make she and her husband maybe they go the other room for now. Maybe just stay like that for the time BT she go reach the belly go reach 7 months where the pikin go strong first. Now she call say that they call say okay. So that when they reach us, the man call ask her say wait, who will call invite now? Who call they take care of you? Because no feed like this. You need to the person will take care of you, they cook food for you, they do everything for you. Now she called us say, may they invite our mother. So now they call invite the mama come. So when they invite the mama come now, their mama called they with man called they do all the whole work, called they help them and everything. So she called realize say our husband called they change. Our husband will say they very friendly, lovely, called they do work. I call even pack them up for our room, go their room, go another room. Then go tell them say why you go come up for room, leave me. Like I said because I don't want to say you find well and you know say you be person I know if you resist because your body they looking at fire so I no go fit man I no go rush you I forget say doctor say man not touch you till 7 months and me give you chance so all the same now for our good and man can say okay so but you can't notice say the man they change so but one day as they suspect the mama and the husband because that kind of thing go fit happen like I say okay no it go do like I tell they say they go buy something for junction like Sassy say they go buy fruits when they go for junction like I leave them so he not go he can hide for inside room so when the for inside when he hide for the room like this that's why he not inside the room she can't go to the toilet for inside her room so she can't hide inside toilet for her room. After some time, say first they hear voice, the husband voice and the mama voice. After that, they call the hear voice again. So she not call the hear the voice. And like 15-10 minutes time, then she call come outside. So when she call come outside, then she call go find her husband. No say husband from the roof or the room as papa go. Like call go and mama room build. Like call say her husband down top of her mama. He dey sleep with her mother. He say when she see the thing, say bless me grand open make she enter. Say this kind thing dey happen. My own mother they sleep with my husband. No. It's not fit bear her. Like call slap her mama. So when he slap her mother, like the husband called the beat her, so you don't get it right to touch your mama. Mama will give birth to you. Mama will say you be call life like the slap. Like the husband called the beat her. So as husband they beat her, man, she not feel stand the beating. Like she call vex, call pack her load. Now my call so where they go. I don't do bad thing now. I come here to call help you work. I still help you to call the service your husband because your husband, a person no go fit stay with her sense. And I look and say if I not service and I go outside. If all those guys call go they give her, and I was part. If you from there take her from you, but me I no go take her. 7 months reach, I go leave me continue from where your battle for stop. Saves that make me I call have to excuse that make me the do for the time being. So not be bad thing I do. And the mama can say, Mama, you not get shame. You be disgraced to motherhood. I will tell her tell you and she could come out. Say she don't come out for the house now. So better where she just went, she dey paro. Say her body the vessel. Say her belly the vessel. Say so what she won't do she want abort the belly. Then make she go back and go kill her husband, make he kill her mama, make her mind for rest. The only way she go feed do to take appease herself for the anger wey dey for inside her. Say so before she go do this thing, make she tell reality story. Since they hear our ogbonge story and our ogbonge advice them, and make her say make we still advise and make we see this as story. But that what she want to say not be bad thing. So now the story be that to my people. Now we will send over to our guests for where we say now relationship coach, that she's relationship specialist. Make we meet her, make she stay advice for this matter. So over to you, Mrs. Bawo Esther. How you see am?
My dear, my advice I get for this woman is say I beg my sister. I not say what to your husband do. He bad well. I beg no wrong anyway. I beg stay with your husband, yeah. Even if not before your husband say for the sake of that pikin, I beg no about her. Pikin one adult they look for since how many years you call come out. You go call be murderer. Your own go call what's past what they do. I beg come back. Come back, may you stay with your pikin. I beg for the same house. Leave them, make their conscience judge them. I beg if you not feel look your husband face. If not pillow, use and they cover your face. Cover your face, may you throw away face. Just day may you they bear am here. No worry. One day, if you even pack come for the house for you and your pikin, because of that conscience when go the prick am. As I this way, my heart they bleed. But what first you go do? Manage here. Thank you, I beg bear am. Now I'm waiting and get to tell you, I beg.
Okay, so Mrs. Esther, she don't give her advice, you understand? So my sister, I believe so you hear advice, but if not for me, my own advice, you understand, I will still put small marks for the matter too. My own advice be say, I'm not gonna advise me about this belle or like waiting my friend first talk. Because if you're about this belle, you know go good. If it's not the only pikin you won't get for life like this one, no. You know so don't tell you define the pikin. So as God give you so that one couple that for your Gary, so that you go, you know go smile well. And makes it that they do all these things. So if you go about the belle, you know go good. You understand? So I'm not kill your mama, not kill your husband. Because if you go kill your husband now like this now, so but you go tell your people you don't born call the life.
No,
you can't tell her say
you
can't tell her say my pikin say I kill your papa, so thing do. You not go good for years, even 2 years, not go 1 year that kind of thing. I go only advise to say may you only leave them to God. Now God, now they judge people for their parties, what they do. You understand? Your mama for the other and your man not try at all. For my hand, you understand? For my hand, for my leg, for everything. Before more than hand and leg go. Rich girl. But I just pay me say she not feel all herself. Say I also in love with them sort of like go do that kind of thing too. But now me show, I go tell you, I don't know. It's left for you that you won't go there back to that house, go meet that man or not so. But I go tell you that belly, not touch her, leave the belly for that man. Because that kind of man say if you can't go the outside, you want to sleep with the man. You can't sleep now. You call the same man with
you
that.
go use pillow cover your face.
Okay, cover face where they do the thing. Okay, you left to you. Because person like me, I'm not sure say I go fit. You use the same. I look that same man again.
No go fit the street too. All your neighbor no go fit go in vain.
Okay. So according to what she talk, so that the matter be that. But for me, not about the belly. And that man, you not try. Leave there to God. Make God fight your battle. But I don't advise you to say you go the asshole to me. I advise you to say make you move on. But if she say make you stay, but God say he hates divorce. But not be the separation is allowed. So if you do your own, they take care of your pikin. You understand? Or that go talk because you know say that kind to see that kind of man. But I don't say not easy. That is forget what they do. But those who not get into they do. You say now the man I be your hand, I be your leg. I even though if I with my hand and my leg, I go cut them off like me for my side. That kind of thing. So is that left?
So the thing they pay.
And my heart safe heavy.
It be like saying I mean like.
I mean when I see this story, I say so. Let me not go fit treat them alone. I mean can invite this special. You understand? For your pikin sake, and the matter be that too. Now we later dey concerned on the pikin for your mama. God go leave. I don't want to make another say God go punish her. God will judge her. That your husband when you say don't keep yourself. So now that kind of thing. Till next time, my people, I don't hear this story. I will come and go to another ogbonge story. So till then, I not do it. This person do. So that kind.